y'all. That junk mean. That junk pretty. Alright guys, it's the first wash. No soap, just water. We're gonna see how this thing, alright. Look at that. Just running right on. Like it ain't nothing. Look at this. Look at that. Crazy. You'll tell me ceramic coat don't work. Now we're gonna try this dryer. Look at that. Blowing right on off. Look, blowing that water off like it ain't nothing. Yes, sir. That's what ceramic coat is all about. Look at that. Blowing that water right on off. Alright, this is after I blow dried it with the super blower. Look at that, guys. Look how clean that joint is. I got some little spots on my top dry. I'm not gonna rub on the car. But look at that. Look, you can see me in. Look at that. Can't tell me this ceramic coat ain't nothing but the truth. Excuse this music, guys. But this is why you want to get your car ceramic coat. All I did is use the blower, the dryer right here. That's not my rag. That was already here. Look at that, man. Even my wheels. Look at that. Crispy clean. Now I'm gonna use this towel. I'm just gonna lightly rub it across the car to get the rest of the spots off. Like I said, it's alright on the windows, but on the car I'm just gonna damp it, like tap it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can get this rag. This is what you wanna use. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Like I said, I ain't do nothing but spray it down and dry it with the super dryer. And the little wet spots that were left, I just used my microfiber towel and just kind of touched it and dry. I didn't do like wipe it down. You know how you just wipe the car down? I didn't do that. I just kind of touched it wherever the little wet spots were. And I'm telling you, this ceramic coat made a big difference. And this is in the shade. I'm gonna try to go somewhere real quick before the sun go down and show y'all how I look in the sun. But this thing is clean. And as y'all saw in the clip where I was spraying the water on it, the water was just rolling right off, beading up. And when I took that blower and hit it, water just blew off like it was nothing. Because, you know, I got a lot of comments, people say, oh, we did it outside and this, that, and the third. Man, this came out perfect. They did a heck of a job, man. I'm telling you, it's just amazing how smooth the paint feel and how the water just fell off the car, man. I didn't even put anything on my tires. I ain't even wiped my rims at all. I didn't wipe them at all. Look at them. Probably about to wipe them now. I see a few spots, but I haven't wiped my rims yet. I was going to put some tire shine on there, but I don't want the tire shine to get all up on the car, so I'm not even going to put any tire shine on the car, guys. So I'm about to go to a spot real quick and see if I can get some sunshine so y'all can see how I look in the sun. All right, guys, real quick, this is how I look in the sun. I found a little spot, and as you can see, man, this thing is sparkling. I see a couple little spots I need to hit, but overall, This thing looks incredible, man. What y'all think? Leave your comments. I mean, I'm super happy how this car turned out. Like I say, I haven't even hit it with any kind of touch-up spray or nothing. Just strictly water and drying it off. That's it. And this joint's sparkling. That's crazy. So I definitely recommend getting the ceramic coat. I see a couple of spots that's still wet, so I'm about to hit them spots real quick. Yeah, man. So leave y'all comments what y'all think. This joint is shining. The main thing is super easy to wash, guys. Like, as you saw, it's just spray it with water, and that's it. Good to go. So I just want to show y'all this real quick. Today my son graduated. I might throw a couple clips in here of him graduating.
I'm so proud of you.
Now guys, this is what it's all about right here. Not views, not Stellantis. This right here, man. So it's a super happy day. We're having a barbecue at the crib, so I'm about to get back and hang out with my family. But I wanted to make this real quick. I've been so anxious to drive my car, guys. So this is after, I think it's been like 8 days since I had it done. But I let it sit in the garage because it was raining. It's like literally raining like every day. I got 4 kids. 3 of them graduated high school, 2 of them graduated college, and I got another one going to college. I got 1 more to go. So I'm super proud and super happy, and that's what it's all about. All this other nonsense don't mean nothing to me. All this Stellantis stuff, and like I said, people be sending me messages about, oh, your channel is failing, this, that, and third. You only get 2,000 views, bro. I can care less about that. I do this as a hobby. What really matters, like my real life, is good to go. And I don't really care about if somebody get more views than me on YouTube. That's like the last thing I'm worried about. Trust me, I want my channel to succeed, but my real life is still good, regardless of how many views I get on YouTube. So I appreciate all the real ones, everybody who's been rocking with me, man. I try to keep it real. It's really all about taking care of your family, your kids doing well, but real life stuff. You know, this YouTube thing is just an escape. This is something I do to escape, you know, all the pressures of being a father, a husband. Yeah, this is my outlet. So I just enjoy talking to you guys, you know, doing this car stuff, man. It's, you know, the views matter to a certain extent, but in real life and living life, all this other stuff that's going on with Stellantis and Dodge, man, them people, that's a $1 billion company, man. Them people gonna be all right. They're gonna do what they're gonna do. And I'm not about to keep wasting a whole bunch of time, keep talking about them. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna do my videos. I'm still gonna do what I need to do to keep my channel going. But at the end of the day, guys, this is what it's all about, man. My son graduating, you know, my kids, you know, taking care of my family. I can care less about all this other craziness that's going on. So I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday evening. It's a beautiful day. I just wanted to bring the car out for a minute and see how it looks since I had a ceramic coat. It's something I always wanted to do. I should have done it to my Scat Pack, but I procrastinated and waited too long and ended up selling it. But I'm super happy, guys. And if you're interested, you can go hit the link in the description. Mention Hemi Muscle for a quick discount. And they'll take care of you. They'll come to wherever you are. I appreciate everybody who made it this far in the video. I didn't want to make this video super long. Like I said, just a quick update on the ceramic coat. And I'm about to get back. I'm super excited. My family at the house. About to go back and, you know, have some fun and eat and hang out with my kids, man. Because that's what it's really about. All this other stuff is just stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm not worried about Stellantis one bit. But I'll make the videos if that's what people want to see. I appreciate y'all watching, man. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.